Okay, so we're on Jalan Arjuna. We're right on the corner of Jalan MLMYDR, and we're just going to see what's up. This street's commonly known as 66 Street, so we're just going to cruise up here, see what's going on, and yeah, just check it out, see how busy it is. Alright, so what have we got in here? Legian corner. Hello. So it's a little restaurant. We've got the sports on, sports tellies. So we'll just cruise up here and see what's going on. It's fairly early in the morning. It's probably about 10:30 in the morning. It's not really that busy. Not as busy as what I thought. So we've got little bag shops here. Sell all the fake Prada bags and things like that. I thought there'd be a lot more people walking around getting breakfast and things like that. Morning. Oh, this is busy. What's this?
So I've got him down to 2 of those bars.
BB's Bar and Bistro. Looks very busy. It's like a little laneway with all the chairs out. Hey, boy.
Hello.
Oh, yeah, it's very busy for breakfast in there. Well, look at it. So it must be pretty good food in here. They've got a breakfast menu. Omelets, French fries. How much is a big breakfast? Big brekkies, 100,000, 105,000, about $10. Alright, we've got a ladder recalling me over, so we'll go and check out what's going on. And that buggy blue, King Kong,
That's
yeah, bro.
one in Bali, King Kong size right here, long and big.
Oh, this is for big size, yeah?
I have until to 7x in here, brother.
Up until 7x.
7x, like huge.
Yeah, right, alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so here we've got an oversized shop. Now, you normally can only buy normally up to XXL, but here he says he's got up to 7 times XL. We're just going to have a quick look in here. So for all the oversized people, which is hard, really, even for me, I'm only about 90 kilos, 85, 90 kilos. So I wear XXL, but God, look at the size of these.
7XL, yeah.
So if you want oversized stuff, this is the shop for sure.
Yeah, that's for the shop.
Yeah, because it's very hard to find shops that sell more than XXL, yeah. All right, so got all the oversized things. So this is a good shop to know, because even myself, a lot of the times have trouble finding the right size, because even though I wear XXL, sometimes XXL, depending on how fat I'm getting. But yeah, this has got up to 7 times XL. What a great shop. Very good. Okay, makasih beli orang Bali kamu?
Huh?
Orang Bali?
Madura.
Oh, Madura. All right, from Java. All right, Madura.
It's a lot of in here business from Java.
All right.
Madura, that's why I come.
So he's from Madura. It's an island just off Surabaya.
Yeah, that's
and,
right.
yeah.
Small island.
And
lot of in here on the business is from Madura.
all right.
Say the sell bags.
So you must have many fat people in Madura. In Surabaya.
The biggest size, King Kong size. If you set in Google, biggest size, there's only one in Bali.
All right.
Yeah, because not a lot of people have like a big
Yeah.
size. They have only 3XL, but sometimes they 3XL, but they put the size 4XL.
All right.
But mine, I have until to 7XL in huge figure.
All right, mate. See, makasih, yeah?
Yeah, thank you.
It's good to know.
Yeah,
Thank you.
okay, brother.
Yeah. All right, so we'll keep moving on. Now, that is something really good to know, because, like I said, myself, I've had trouble finding the right size many times. So, thanks, bro. All right. So we'll keep moving. So it's just endless little clothing shops and things like that around. You can see the dresses, and this is the sort of thing that Yuli makes. And just like caftans, they call them. So, sarongs, more shirts. There's a lot of different styles in here you probably wouldn't find. This little shop looks pretty interesting. It's all like woven stuff by the look of it. The dream catchers and things like that. Oh yeah, it's all shell inlay, like kangaroos, turtles, owls. And they're all little tiny cowrie shells by the look of it. Very nice. What's this? Felicity Coffee to go. It's a little coffee shop. Hello. It's a little mini coffee shop and bakery. What they got? Donuts, croissants, things like that. Hello, bro. Right, so there's a few people shopping. It's still fairly early, I suppose, in the morning. A lot of people are out looking for breakfast and things like that this time of day. But I suppose everything you get in the market, isn't it? Hey, mate, how are you?
G'day, how are
What's the exchange rate for Aussie dollar? 10,300. It's pretty good.
Yeah, you can get 10. You can get 10 or 50 up.
Really?
200 up that way, but I couldn't be bothered walking that far.
Yeah. I don't really trust the little ones, but
Yeah, I got it there. I like
Yeah.
count it, but yeah.
Yeah.
But he wanted 40 back, you know, like $4. Yeah,
they want a commission on out of that, yeah.
This guy, yeah.
All right, mate, have a good
Yeah,
day.
you too.
All right, so hats I could do with a new hat. Billabong hat would be good. Hey, bro.
Yes, boss. Nice.
Topi Billabong, berapa tu?
100 lah, bos.
100?
Iya.
No, mahal itu.
Berapa?
Alright, 50.
53 bisa.
Alright, so that's what he wants 100, but you probably get him a bit cheaper if you bargain.
Bos, tambah 20 lah, bos.
Nah.
Seperti.
Alright, bro. Thank you. Oh, this is good, mate. Look, Grumpy Old Men's Club.
Saya foto.
Right. Oh, he's getting angry because I didn't buy his hat. Now he's trying to block me. That just shows disrespect, really, if you ask me. He pushed me out of the shop. How's that? You know, it's our right to bargain, and it's a bit annoying when they just push you out of the shop like that until you can't film me now because I didn't buy his overpriced hat. But anyway, that's the way it is. It's got a little laneway there. Looks like a couple of little lozmans or something down the back here. Right, so here's another money exchange. 10,175 Australian dollar. Here's an art shop. You don't see too many art shops around these days just selling art, you know. Combi one's good, very good. Like this one, look at the reggae monkey. Alright, so it's just art. Which is good, you don't really see that too many art shops around these days. So it's been that long since I've actually explored around for things like this. What else have we got over here? More clothing shops, wholesale rentals. Morning.
Good morning.
So there's a lot of Aussies around. Now this up here is a really good, sort of famous restaurant here on 66 Street. It's called Santorini. It's like a Greek style restaurant. I've eaten in there many, many times. Alright. And yeah, it's worth a look. They've got a sister restaurant also over on the gang between the laneway between Poppies 2 and Poppies 1, another Santorini. Same, I think the two owners split and made a shop each, but this is really good food. Now this little coffee shop is always busy. Cross over so you can have a look at it. And it's called Coffee Cutters. Now, I come past here early in the morning, really, really early in the morning, and it's already open, maybe 6 o'clock in the morning. Jam berapa buka di sini? Jam 6, yeah. All right, so they're open at 6 o'clock in the morning. I always see people in here, it's always busy. Hello, for YouTube.
Yeah, wow.
All right, so come in here if you want a coffee, an early coffee.
Thank you.
Coffee Cutters. All right. Because there's no one in here now, but every time I come past, there's always a lot of people in here. Looks like there's little markets out the back here or something. More little shops. Hey, boys.
Morning.
Morning. Oh, I didn't know this was out here. There's little shops out the back. Spa, money changer.
Yes.
Hey, bro. Sarongs. There's a little sarong shop. Blue batik sarong shop. So here's a little silver shop across the road. We'll check that out and see what they got. It's all the silver rings, silver bracelets. Wow, there's a lot of silver in here. Hey, bro.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good.
Good? Oh, leather shop.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay.
You don't see too many leather shops anymore, eh? Not so many. Very good. So if you're after leather bags, come in here. They've got all types of things, and it's real leather. Proper leather, not vinyl, so that's good. Very nice. Better not let Yuli know about that. She'll be in here wanting everything. A little shoe shop, dress shop. Hello, Park. Right, so this looks like a little t-shirt. Got the sports jumpers and the football jumpers. Crocs. Hey, bro. This sells like, oh, yeah. All like the little
Engraving.
surfboard, yeah, engraving with, I think they do it with like a soldering iron or something. Draw the pictures on it. All little bracelets. Okay, we've nearly done the whole street. So it's not far now. There's not too much between here and Legian Street, really. A little bit. Here's Frankie's Bar and Grill, which is pretty good food. I want to see if they've got if they have chicken palmies in here. YouTube. Hello. All right, so I'm just going to see what sort of steaks, because I'm making a video at the moment on who's got the best chicken parmigiana. You have chicken parmigiana? You do? Where is it on the menu? Chicken palmy, 125. Oh, it's a bit pricey, but might be all right. Plum chicken breast topped with main and structured cheese. All right. So it's $12 for a chicken palmy. All right. Thank you. Yep. Right, so that's Frankie's. Alright, so over here got a tattoo shop. There's no shortage of tattoo shops everywhere in Bali, everywhere you go. So, morning. More Aussies getting around. Seems to be heaps of Aussies now here because it's winter in Australia. It's another silver shop. Basically it thins out now because you've got this big construction here going. Now this construction's been going for about 10 years, I reckon. At least 10 years they've been building it. They sort of do a little bit and then stop the construction, then start again. So it's been going for a long time. What have we got here? Krishna Spa. Hello, girls. Right, so we've got tattoo here. Motherland Tattoo Parlour. All right. Hey, bro. How you going, boys? Good. Busy?
Busy.
Busy? Why are you sitting here busy? Just talk. So, business is good now because many Australian coming? Yeah. That's good. All right, I'll give you a plug. The Virginity Inc. It's on Jalan Arjuna or 66 Road. And yeah, come and see the boys. Yeah. Good tattoos, yeah? Yeah, good. All right, thank you. So, this is Warung Bidari. It's just a small warung. So, and here's another tattoo shop. Wow, there's heaps of tattoo shops. 3 Family Inc. Hey boys.
How are you, bro?
Good. Busy? Busy. That's good, eh? The big bucks, yeah? Alright, so there's another one, 3 Family Inc. in Jalan Arjuna. Right, so there's definitely no shortage of tattoo shops up this end. They're everywhere. All over Bali now, there's probably about 200 of them, I'd say. Everywhere. Hey, Pat. Sepatu, yeah? So they got plenty of shoes and bags in here. Little shoe shop. Okay. What else have we got? So we're more or less at the end of the street now. This is Jalan Legian just here, or Raya Seminyak. But yeah, that's about it, I suppose. Hey, Park.
Apa kabar, bos?
Park, mate. What do you got? Oh, he's got all the football shirts in here, so you can get all the different. Ah, he got the Australian football shirts. Look, he's got Manly, the Rabbitohs. Yeah, he's got the Sharks. So if you want your Aussie NRL shirts, this is the place to come. Yeah. What's the name of your shop?
Nothing.
No name. No name. It's just right on the corner of Jalan Legian. All right, so that's about it basically. And before Yuli dropped me at the end of the road, and she's across the road here in a big material shop where sometimes she buys some material, so we'll head over there and see if we can find her. Okay, so that's basically it for Jalan Arjuna, commonly known as Jalan 66. So anyway, if you like this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. If you like this type of video, me just walking around looking at things and that, leave it in the comments and I'll do more of them. Okay? See you on the next video.